It's a little bit loud. Got the vacuum cleaner going somewhere. Tonight we're just making a rotini pasta bake because I needed something quick. I had planned on making a slow cooker Texas pulled pork, but I didn't get that started in time. Even for the Instant Pot, I didn't get it started in time. So we're going with rotini pasta bake instead. Okay, I think the pasta is done.
Oh, pasta?
Yeah, making pasta.
Oh, I love pasta.
I see that. I'm going to spray the casserole dish. Okay, I'm just going to put in the pasta like that, and we'll pour the sauce over the top and mix it all in there. Oh, I added the sauce to the ground beef. Can't remember if I said that. And pour this in, and then we'll stir it. We're gonna mix up this avocado ranch salad kit to go with the pasta. I like to get these little salad kits because it gives you ideas of things, you know, that you can meal prep or whatever by purchasing everything separately, and most of the time it's cheaper that way. But these give you ideas of different ones to make, like that pizza one. I've made a pizza salad before, I've shown it to y'all before, but I wanted to see what theirs was about. So it says it's red cabbage, green leaf lettuce, broccoli, carrots, cheese, garlic crouton crumbles, and green onion and Parmesan cheese with a creamy pizza ranch dressing. I'll probably have this one for lunch tomorrow. I think I have some spinach that I'm gonna add to this. Yes. We'll add some spinach to it to fluff it up a little more. These are kind of like slaws more than salads. I mean, I know it calls them a chopped salad kit, but since they have cabbage in them, they remind me more of slaw. We had one. What did we do with that one? I put it on some wraps a week or two ago, and it was kind of like a slaw too. It was the, can't remember which one it was, but it was kind of like a slaw. It's quiet in here, it's just me and Sissy. Okay, this comes with some little, this tortilla, I didn't even read what this one was. So it's cabbage, green leaf lettuce, kale, red cabbage, carrots, green onions, 4 cheese blend, blue corn tortilla strips, and the avocado dressing. Okay. I love the blue corn tortillas. This in there, and we'll toss it all together. It's ready.
tell Mama about those little things with people back behind the line, and it has a circle.
Okay, so first I'll draw the person first. He said that's not right. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna draw the person first this time.
Yeah, and I'll draw the circle and Mama will draw the line.
Okay, there's the person.
Okay.
Oh wait, they need a face. Are they happy or sad or?
Happy.
Okay, there we
Because
go.
we don't want any sad people.
No.
This will be his hair.
Okay. Okay.
Now you draw the line.
What? Okay, so like this.
We need to move these
Okay,
ears.
we gave him a haircut.
Yeah.
Like that? Is that it?
And then another one.
Oh, another line. Okay.
See,
Like that. Is that it?
For some reason on movies they look a little bit better.
Oh, okay. So it looks better on movies. Okay, what about that? Is that it?
I think the line goes like that kind of.
Okay.
But going a little bit tilted.
Like that? Is that it?
Not just straight. We need to draw the circle kind of tilted too, but I don't know how to do that.
Oh, okay.
Your
Oh, I know.
turn.
Let's try to draw something off of one of these stickers. I got these glow-in-the-dark stickers.
I'm going to try and draw.
Let's see. With this page, I think this page will be easier. Let's pick something off of this page.
I'm
I'm going to draw the watermelon.
going to draw that smiley face.
Okay.
No, what? I think I might draw that egg with legs.
Okay, does mine look like the blue guy?
I'm just looking at them.
Now it looks like a little
pig.
It is Friday morning. This week absolutely flew by. Like it feels like it should just be Tuesday or Wednesday. It's Friday. I'm gonna make a raspberry pancake French toast bake this morning. I was gonna do blackberry, but I didn't realize that all the blackberries have been eaten, so we're going raspberry. You can use strawberries, blueberries, whatever you wanna use. I got these frozen buttermilk pancakes to use for this French toast bake. I'm pretty sure, I'm trying to remember, I don't think it was this exact recipe, but I've made a recipe before and it's been a long time ago, so I can't remember exactly what it was. But using frozen pancakes works better for these recipes. And I didn't have any homemade frozen ones in the freezer, so I got these yesterday. But you can totally use homemade ones. It works out better if they're frozen. They don't get as mushy as they would if it's, fresh made pancakes. Which, I mean, these are gonna sit out for a little bit, so they will kind of thaw out, but not completely before they bake. They just hold together a little bit better. I'm gonna open these up and cut them in half. I'm not sure how many of these I'm gonna need because I'm not doing a whole 9 by 13. I'm just doing this smaller. Let's see, it is an 8 by 11. So we'll see how many we need here. Let me go ahead and spray that. That way we can go ahead and start putting the pancakes in as we slice them. Okay, so we're gonna cut these in half. Okay, so now we're just going to take the pancakes and line them up across just like this. Kind of stand them up a little. Now that's 6 pancakes so far. So yeah, it looks like we'll need about 12 probably. So yeah, we needed 12 for this size. I could probably fit 2 more right there. I wonder if I should, 1 more in half. I think we'll just go with this. This is fine. Now we're just gonna take the raspberries and put them all around here. Okay. Now we'll set this over to the side. In the bowl, we need 6 eggs. Got about 3 egg whites right there, so I'm doing 3 egg whites and 3 eggs, whole eggs. Somebody asked again why we always have so many egg whites. We make an ice cream that only uses the egg yolks, so that's why we always end up having extra egg whites in the refrigerator. We need 1 1/4 cup of milk and about 1/2 cup of heavy cream. I'm just going to mix these together. I'll pour that in. We need a couple of teaspoons of vanilla and 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Okay, we're going to pour the egg mixture over the pancakes. We'll set this to the side again. In this bowl, we need about 1/2 stick of butter softened. So I'm going to put it in the microwave on defrost for just a few seconds to soften it a little bit. Okay, that should be good. We're going to use this to make a little crumble to put over the top. So we need about 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. We need 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now we're just going to mix that together, and I'm using this just to kind of crumble up the butter. As we mix it, just chop it a little. Now I'll just use my hand to finish crumbling up any big pieces of butter. Bring your pancakes over. We're just going to put this all over the top. That's it. It's going in the oven. This is one of those no words to describe how wonderful this is. The pancakes are so fluffy and full of wonderful French toast mixture. It's amazing. Even this guy's happy about this being on this plate. Look at him.